JDCap26 here, just do tips and fears and hobbies, and I want to talk to you about leaky gut and something that's really a problem. And if you have this problem, it's caused by foods that you eat. I'm going to put in a slideshow some notes that you should look at and refer to. You might want to look more information up on this on the internet, and I won't mention any names, but you'll find the names of the doctors that have developed information to help you solve this problem. I suffer from cramps, stomach cramps and things like that, and it's really what you eat. You got to be careful what you eat, and you have to use probiotics and pre-probiotics. So watch the slideshow. It's short, but it gives you some good points. Thank you. Please rate and subscribe, and have a nice day.